Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy crypto on Gemini. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin when you trade $100. Open the website, then click sign in. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the tab that says Market. On this page, you will see the list of available cryptocurrencies. Click on the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Now on this page, you will see a Make a Trade option from which you could place your purchase. So first, select the frequency by clicking the drop-down arrow on the first field. Then several options will appear. Click on the option you wish to select. After that, enter the amount or just click on the amounts provided. Then below that, you will be offered to transfer your purchase to Earn. Earn, or Gemini Earn, is a lending program. If you toggle that switch, you agree to participate in that lending program through which you may choose to lend your crypto to certain institutional borrowers and earn interest on your crypto. So the interest rate varies on each crypto. For more details on the lending program and how to earn interest, click on Learn More. However, this is just optional. Now to proceed, click on Continue. Now, select the payment method. But if you haven't added any payment method yet, click on Add Bank or Debit Card, then follow the on-screen instructions on how to add a bank or debit card. Then now review the purchase details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you buy crypto on Gemini. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.